Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how I took this plastic army tank with a missing turret and brought it into this. Let's get started. This tank was an eBay find. It came with two other NPC armored vehicles. This one was missing its turret. So I went online and I found an armored vehicle with a turret that I thought kind of looked good for this vehicle, and I bought that. I took the 3D file that I bought and uploaded into Tinkercad, and I'll show you that here. I had to put a hole in the turret and then size it up so it would fit on this plastic tank. Next, I loaded the file up into my slicer software and printed it on my Anycubic Photon Zero. Here is a picture of the turret fresh off the printer. It took 12 hours to print. It came out good. I'm happy with it. I painted it I primed it. Yes, Army Painter Army Green. And of course there's our hole that we made in Tinkercad, and it fits right in. I think it looks pretty good. I even put a little hole here in the end of the barrel. There wasn't one before. I may do a little painting on this. Maybe put some copper color, or maybe a green, like a neon green color on these sensors. I don't know yet. Maybe some yellow or something on the missile caps. Definitely some black maybe there. But that would also require me to touch up the tank. I kind of like my plastic Army Men vehicles to look like they were when they were original. I don't know. We'll see. I do paint some of my Army Men, so maybe I should paint the tank too. So comment down below and tell me what you think of my tank and of my turret design. Excuse me, not my turret design, but how I modified the turret for this tank. Comment down below. Tell me your thoughts, what you think about it, whether you like it or don't like it. Please give me a simple like if you can, and subscribe for more Plastic Soldiers. Alright, thank you for watching. You have a great day.